There we go. Whoa, this fish is pulling. What is this? What is going on, everybody? Landon here from Curtis Outdoors, and today we're back at the creek and we're gonna do some multi-species fishing. Let's go. There we go. There's a fish. Oh, there's a couple following it. There's our first fish of the day right there. All right, first fish of the day. Beautiful little fall fish. See you later, buddy. There's one. Whoa, that feels big. Holy moly! Look at the size of that chub. Geez, that is a monster chub right there. Probably one of the biggest I've ever caught. Wow, that's so crazy. Alright, there's one of the biggest chubs I've ever caught. Let's let him go. Alright, see you later, buddy. There he goes. There's one. What is this? No way, it's a new species. That's a pumpkin seed. All right, species number 3 for the day right there. Beautiful little pumpkin seed. See you later. There's one. Is that another pumpkin seed? We have another little pumpkin seed right here. Awesome. See you later, buddy. Whoa, that was so cool. I saw that pumpkin seed come up out of nowhere and bite it. It's a little tiny pumpkin seed, but I'll take it. Sweet. See you later, buddy. There we go. Oh, that's a new species. That's a green sunfish. All right, species number 4, a nice little green sunfish. There he goes. There we go. Oh, there's a bluegill. There's a new species. All right, there's species number 5, a beautiful little bluegill. There we go. Some sort of pumpkin seed bluegill hybrid, I think. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is a pumpkin seed bluegill hybrid. That is species number 6 for the day. See you later. Whoa, that was so cool. I'm not sure what this is yet, but it hit it right on the top of the water. Whoa, another monster of a creek chub right there. There we go. Another little tiny green sunfish. There's one. It's another little pumpkin seed. I'll tell you what, these little guys fight super hard on 4-pound line and ultralight gear. There we go. Whoa, that's a decent pumpkin seed right there. Probably the biggest one of the day. All right, there's another beautiful little pumpkin seed. See you later, buddy. There we go. Wow, that is one pretty pumpkin seed right there. Look at the colors on that fish. That is so cool. All right, that's a pretty little pumpkin seed right there. See you later, buddy. Oh, there's one. No way, I think that this is a rock bass. Yeah, it's a rock bass. We gotta bring him up here. Yes! Look at that, everybody. There's a new species for the day. That is so cool. I never catch rock bass here. That is quite a surprise catch for the day. That is so cool, everybody, a rock bass. That is definitely a surprise catch today. This is like the third one I've ever caught out of the spot, and I've been fishing here for years. That is so cool. Pretty fish. All right, see you later, buddy. There we go. Whoa, this fish is pulling. What is this? It's huge. Oh my goodness. It's a massive bluegill. Oh my goodness. Look at that bluegill, everybody. All right, 7.5 inches is my personal best. Let's see how many this guy is. He is just over 8 inches right there. That is my personal best bluegill. That is so cool. All right, there's my personal best bluegill, over 8 inches. That is so big. All right, let's let him go. There he goes. That was so cool. My biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my life. Now, I just think that's crazy that bluegills can grow that big in such a tiny little creek here. There we go. There's another bluegill. Nowhere near the size of the one that we just caught, but I'll take it. There's another one. It's a green sunfish. Almost every cast I'm catching a sunfish or a bluegill. There's one. It's a fighter. Hey, that's a decent sized bluegill. There's one. Another little gill. There's another really big fish. Feels big anyways. It's another bluegill, it looks like. Whoa, this is another monster bluegill. All right, there's another monster bluegill. There we go. There's another green sunfish. There we go. There's another little itty bitty bluegill. I'll take it. There we go. Another really tiny bluegill. Seems like there's a lot of these really tiny guys in here. Then there's also a couple really big ones like that one that I caught earlier. See you later, buddy. All right, everybody, I just tied on a tiny little grasshopper crankbait. Hopefully we can catch one on that. Alright, I'm getting tons of little nibbles on this crankbait, but I have not caught a fish yet, so let's go back to a worm. There we go. First cast back with a worm. Another little itty bitty bluegill. There we go. There's another little green sunfish. Pretty cool. See you later, buddy. There we go. There's another pumpkin seed right there. There we go. This feels big. What is this? No way, it's a perch! No way, everybody! It's a yellow perch! Wow, we never catch these here. That is so cool. Another surprise catch today. Yeah, perch in this creek are not very common, and this is a pretty decent sized one too. Look at the colors on this fish. Let's let him go. All right, see you later. That is so cool that we actually caught a perch here. There's not very many of them at this creek. I'm also pretty sure that that perch was species number 8 of the day. There's one. Looks like another pumpkin seed. There's one. What is this? It's another little chub. It's been a while since I've caught one of these guys today. See you later, buddy. There we go. This guy was a fighter. Well, anyways, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video of multi-species fishing this creek right here. I believe we ended up catching 8 different species, including a surprise rock bass, my personal best bluegill, and a surprise perch. So I'll see you all in the next video.